Brazil's health ministry launched on Monday its mass vaccination campaign against COVID-19. Brazil's health minister Eduardo Pazuello said the initial plan was to begin nationwide vaccination on Wednesday, but the date was moved up in response to the request of state governors. Brazil was distributing around 6 million doses of the CoronaVac vaccine, developed by Chinese laboratory Sinovac in collaboration with the Butantan Institute of São Paulo.
Parceria grande, tanto comercial como institucional, e a vacina prova que é mais uma grande parceria entre os dois países.
Brazil's health regulatory agency Anvisa on Sunday authorized the emergency use of the CoronaVac vaccine, as well as the AstraZeneca University of Oxford vaccine against COVID-19. Immediately following Anvisa's authorization, the government of São Paulo, the epicenter of Brazil's COVID-19 outbreak, applied the first CoronaVac vaccine.
Todas as vacinas aprovadas no Brasil são vacinas eficazes, vacinas de qualidade, inclusive a gente sempre fala isso para a população, a não se preocupar com a marca da vacina, o importante é se vacinar. Hoje a gente começa com a CoronaVac e vamos ampliar com outras vacinas no Brasil e no Rio de Janeiro.